Actually, I enjoy many aspects about this school because my children, I had twins, they came here right in the middle of year one. At first, I was worried they're gonna be get along with friends well, how they're gonna like the school, something like that. But anyway, when we first came here, it's really impressed. The teacher, the principals, and all the friends and all the parents, they are really warm welcome. And also about the learning, they expand the children knowledge in the fun way. They came back home. I love the school. Today I have this topic. Today the teacher told me something like this, and they're so happy coming to school every day. I think they are ready. At school they have the program about transitioning. So during the year 6, they have time and chances to get along with the students from Riverside. They go back and forth. Sometimes students from Riverside came here, or sometimes they have the chance to go there. So they make some friends, and I think they're ready to move there. Absolutely sure. So City Campus most warm welcome community, all the parents, teacher, and the staff. They're all very good accompanying. If you have any question or any problem, you can always meet them easily. Okay, so finally I would like to say thank you to our friends, to all the children, and also teacher and staff over here to make my children's life and also parents happy all 6 years over here.